1 a.m. Ready?
Yes, sir. Everybody's gonna work here. Oh!
See any traffic in front of you, bro?
Huh?
See any traffic in front of you?
Oh. This is definitely it's a rock, the one fucking rock in the desert.
This nigga ran into the one thing here.
This gun is fucking horrible. Alright.
Watch that nigga gon' crush like Zorro. Bitch, I'm on Houston, but I'm in Soho. I'm getting bands like I went solo. Lose advance, now he gon' roll. It's go here like Eminem, 50 Cent, Kendrick. You know
I'm in the left lane. If you crash into me, I'm logging out.
We don't do the vision. That's a raven with the crown. You know I
Thank
got these visions.
You can drive.
I wanna drive, bro. I don't want you to log out.
Oh my
I'm
god.
getting that weird mood effect again. Oh no, not actually.
Is that you?
Yeah.
That crash?
No, I'm all green.
Oh. I thought, no, it looked like you crashed.
Oh.
I crashed now.
Cat paw, bro. We good. Don't even stress me.
No, it looked like you crashed. Like you hit traffic. And then I looked in front of me and I hit you again. You want left?
Yeah, look. It was quite ugly. Absolutely no parts of that, but it was cool. I didn't see you on the map.
I kept falling straight.
I mean, why wouldn't you with all this open road?
Don't forget, you know, to get around the county.
Damn, still there he is.
Left over the bridge. Of course there's a car here.
God damn, the one car stopping us from like really whipping that. Oh, you fucked up. I did it. You can see on the, yo, when you look at my screen, you'll see where we both would have hit it. But I did it. Kept it going. Clean, fresh, slice.
Oh, fuck. overcorrected. Ended up on the wrong side of the road. Hold on. Let's across. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I'll cross the street.
Only my high beams work. Oh!
What happened, bro?
Oh shit, you know, just pulling, doing what the Arabs do. Oh, that bitch on 2 wheels. You too?
Yeah, I hit something. I run straight back to,
Legendary?
yeah. I just fixed my shit. My windshield's cracked.
Bro, I don't even want to drive in first person. You gonna go back in third right now, and once the windshield gets fixed. Got higher top end than you. You about dust.
Fucking fly right now, bro. Oh, that fucking bump.
I talk so much shit.
And then you ate it?
I ate it heavy.
Oh shit,
I ate it like it was lunchtime on Friday. I was all the way on the right. I saw you coming, I was like, please no. Scoop you up real quick. Say, hey yo bro, you need a lift?